iPhone users, the first thing a thief wants to do when they obtain your phone from your pocket or your bag without your knowledge is to actually swipe down and put the phone on airplane mode. Why? Because they want to prevent you from being able to get back home, borrow your mommy's phone and use Track My iPhone to find where the phone is actually located. This gives them ample time to figure out how they're going to wipe the phone and sell it to somebody else as UK used. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent them from swiping down. Step 1, go into the settings on your phone and go to the Face ID and passcode section. After you enter your passcode, you'll be able to swipe down to the bottom and unclick Control Center Access from the lock screen. Once you've done that, nobody will be able to swipe down on your lock screen because they don't have your Face ID or your passcode, which means anybody who steals your phone has actually only just acquired a ticking tracking device, to be honest, because you can track it anytime and go and find whoever took it. And the best part, you can actually lock the phone remotely, which renders it completely useless. This tip also applies if you have an iPad. This country is already hard. Don't let wicked people frustrate your life. Follow me for more tips and tricks like this.